When clients are working to configure DAM for the first time, I usually recommend a number of tips and tricks. One, quite honestly, and this is not because I work for Forvis Mazars, but get help. It can be difficult for clients to understand how to set up DAM rules right off the bat. Two, don't just jump right in to start configuring rules. You really need to think about what are you trying to achieve in cadencing. Think about what those rules are. I like to map it out in Excel, then kind of make sure that makes sense. Then I go into DAM, configure it, and see what the results are. And is that what I was expecting? The other one is you have to test, and I just alluded to that. Don't just assume you've done the DAM rules correctly. You need to make sure it's giving you that expected result before you actually go live in production. I think those would be my top three.